Hello, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 4-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and car park also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.5, which is the very good room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc.
Room category second. Room category third.
Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Pets are not allowed in this hotel.
The location of the hotel is superb and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings.
Property except visa, credit cards are reserved the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. The check-out time is 11 a.m.
Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.
For booking or more details, below the link in description. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe.